Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, greetings from F1. Myself, Sherin, project manager at F1, and meet Mr. Mohammed MP, director at F1.
Hi, I just introduced the F1. F1 was founded around the ideas of everything for everyone, which was born when like-minded people and more than just a financial gain come together. We believe that providing accessible and affordable technology that ham by anyone, anywhere, and anytime. My team, F1 and I, truly honored to be the spotlight under the Frappe banner. Okay, rest of things the Sherin will present here. Okay.
So it's AuMMS, Gold Manufacturing Management System, specifically designed for the gold industries. So now let's have a brief overview about AuMMS and the context. As we all know, gold industries hold the main economic as well as cultural value in the society. And even people are using investment in gold, and fluctuation of gold rate is affecting in the market. And these are the main challenges we faced during the development, and these are the main points which we took this topic also. And as we know, rate of gold will change day by day, and there are some critical equations we need to apply. There are some calculations, but unfortunately, there is no existing solution which streamlined the whole sales, purchase, and manufacturing flow. And this led us to the development of AuMMS, and it's built on Frappe framework version 14 on support of ERPNext version 14. Yeah, let's have an overview. And this is the landing page of AuMMS, where you can see there are some master doc types. And there is one chart of last month board rate. And as we know, Frappe itself has a good chart, and there is an option of selecting the range of, we can change the range like last week, last month, and last year. So according to the business owners, they will get an idea how the rate is fluctuating. So this is a basic sales and purchase design, which looks similar to the ERPNext standard one. And there are some changes in it. We can go to it deeper. The major point is if the customer is B2B customer, then we can edit the price. We can make some adjustments, etc. And these are some main master doc types, item type and purity. In item type, we will define the item type, whether it is a gold, silver, platinum, and we have an option of mark whether this type of item has a purity or not. And in purity, we will define the purity and in percentage. And for purity in the sense, there will be 22 karat gold, 24 karat gold. We will define over here. And this is AuMMS item, which looks much pretty similar to the ERPNext item itself. We made some customization over it, like we need to enter the rate, as well as we need to provide the stone details, weight of stone, how much stone is there, and the rate of stone, etc. And this is AuMMS item group. And this is board rate. As I said before, the major challenge over the gold industry is rate is not a fixed one. It will change day by day, date by time by time. Even by location also, rate of gold will be changed. And maintaining rate of gold in a industry is very crucial thing. So that's the main reason we introduced this board rate, where we will be selecting the type of item and the purity, and we will mark the date and time, etc. And this is jewelry invoice. As we know, ERPNext has a good sales module, but it's a huge one, so we just simplified and we introduced a new doc type called jewelry invoice, where we can do both sales and purchase at one place. And we will simply select the customer. As you can see, only minimal details for sales is there. And according to the jewelry perspective, there will be 3 types of sales. One will be, we are simply giving the cash and we are purchasing a gold ornament. And the other one will be, we are giving an old gold and we are purchasing a new one. And the other one will be, Completely metal to metal. We are giving a gold coin and we are purchasing a gold ring with the same weight or with the same weight or rate. And it's another critical part of the gold industry, which is a purity conversion tool. Uh, let's consider an example like one customer named X is giving a 50 gram of 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold means it is 99.9% of purity. And the customer need a ornament or a bangle or anything, an ornament, and which is a purity of 916. So there are some conditions, there are some calculation we need to apply. We need to add some alloys or we need to take some. And yeah, by simply selecting all those things, it will give a conversion chart as well as we will get the how much quantity we need to add or we need to take. And this is metal ledger. As you can see, it's look like ERPNext general ledger. Yes, it's inspired from there. Here we can select the purity as well as we can mention the UOM. We can select the date range. Major role of metal ledger in the gold industry is we need to track all the accounting ledgers in terms of gold. So basically, in a jewelry, the stock checking will be in two types. One will be they simply count the number of ornaments they have, and the other one is they will be calculating or they will be weight all the ornaments and they will get an accumulated one. So by using of metal ledger, we will get a clear cut about of how much quantity is there. And for all the sales and purchase, we will be creating a metal ledger record. So basically, metal ledger is a report, an accounting ledger where all the debits and credits will be in form of gold. And it's a design of sales and manufacturing flow, which start from the customer will give a design, and analyzer will perform the analysis, and we will create a BOM with respect to that. After that, it will go to the standard manufacturing workflow of ERPNext, and after the finished good is created, we will invoice to customer. So, as I mentioned, yeah, we are working in the AuMMS for a past, I think it's about 1 year. And we completed the sales and purchase, and manufacturing is in development, and it will be available in the next version. The major challenges we are facing in manufacturing domain is, there are, as I mentioned, there are some critical conditions and formula we need to apply. And even there are some process in manufacturing like polishing. So input and output will be same. The raw material we are passing it will be a ring, and there will be no add-on, but we need to apply some charges over there. So the after polishing, the finished good will be also the same ring. And major part is we need to keep track of all single milligram of gold, even scrap also. Even floor mats used in the manufacturing industries are auctioned yearly about 8 to 10 lakhs. And meet our contributors. At FUN, we are open sourcing major part of our developments, and AuMMS is also open sourced. Thank you.